Pain, an experience both universal and deeply personal, is a fundamental aspect of the human condition. It serves as a warning system, alerting us to potential harm and prompting us to protect ourselves. Yet, despite its essential role in our survival, pain often remains a source of mystery and misunderstanding. Today, we delve into the intricate world of pain, exploring how our brains transform noxious stimuli into the unpleasant sensations we perceive. Our understanding of pain has evolved significantly over the centuries, moving away from ancient beliefs that attributed pain to supernatural forces to recognizing it as a complex physiological phenomenon. We now know that pain is not simply a physical sensation but a multifaceted experience involving intricate interactions between our nervous system, brain, and environment. This intricate interplay of biological and psychological factors determines how we perceive, interpret, and respond to painful stimuli. Understanding the mechanisms of pain is not merely an academic exercise, it holds profound implications for developing effective pain management strategies. By unraveling the mysteries of pain perception, we can hope to alleviate suffering and improve the quality of life for millions worldwide who grapple with chronic pain conditions. Before delving into the brain's role in pain perception, it's crucial to understand the concept of nociception. Nociception refers to the process by which our bodies detect potentially harmful stimuli, such as extreme temperatures, mechanical pressure, or chemical irritants. Specialized sensory neurons, known as nociceptors, are distributed throughout our skin, muscles, joints, and internal organs, acting as sentinels constantly scanning for signs of danger. These nociceptors are activated when they encounter noxious stimuli, triggering a cascade of electrochemical signals that travel along nerve fibers towards the spinal cord and ultimately the brain. Different types of nociceptors respond to different types of stimuli, allowing us to distinguish between sharp, stabbing pain, dull, aching pain, and burning pain. This specialization ensures that our brains receive specific information about the nature and location of the potential threat. For instance, touching a hot stove activates thermal nociceptors in our fingertips, sending a rapid signal to the brain interpreted as sharp burning pain. This immediate sensation prompts us to withdraw our hand reflexively, preventing severe burns. In contrast, a muscle strain activates mechanical nociceptors, resulting in a dull, aching pain that develops gradually and persists longer, signaling the need to rest and protect the injured area. Understanding the different types of nociceptors and their corresponding pain pathways is crucial for developing targeted pain relief strategies. By identifying the specific type of pain a patient is experiencing, clinicians can select the most effective medications or therapies to block pain signals at various points along the pathway. Once nociceptors detect a noxious stimulus, the pain signal embarks on a remarkable journey through the nervous system, ultimately reaching the brain, where it is interpreted as pain. This neural pathway involves multiple relays and transformations, ensuring that the brain receives a comprehensive message about the nature, location, and intensity of the pain. The first stop for the pain signal is the spinal cord, where it synapses with neurons in the dorsal horn. Here, the signal is modulated by other neurons, amplifying or dampening it depending on various factors such as previous experiences and emotional state. This modulation explains why our pain perception can vary depending on context. A minor injury might feel excruciating during times of stress, while a more serious injury might be bearable during moments of intense focus or excitement. From the spinal cord, the pain signal ascends through two main pathways to reach different areas of the brain, each contributing to our overall pain experience. The spinothalamic tract carries information about the location, intensity, and quality of pain to the thalamus, a relay station deep within the brain. The thalamus then relays this information to the somatosensory cortex, where it is processed to create a conscious perception of pain location and intensity. The second pathway, the spino-reticular tract, carries information about the emotional and motivational aspects of pain. This pathway projects to areas of the brain involved in emotional processing, such as the amygdala and the anterior cingulate cortex. These regions contribute to the unpleasantness of pain, prompting us to seek relief and avoid similar situations in the future. While the sensory aspects of pain are crucial for alerting us to danger, it is the emotional component of pain that often transforms a fleeting sensation into a debilitating experience. Pain is rarely a purely physical phenomenon. It is interwoven with our thoughts, emotions, memories, and expectations, shaping our perception of pain and influencing our behavioral responses. The experience of pain can trigger a cascade of negative emotions, such as fear, anxiety, and sadness. These emotions, in turn, can amplify pain perception, creating a vicious cycle that is difficult to break. Chronic pain, in particular, can have a profound impact on emotional well-being, leading to feelings of helplessness, hopelessness, and social isolation. Brain imaging studies have revealed that chronic pain leads to structural and functional changes in the brain, particularly in areas involved in emotional processing and regulation. These changes can make individuals with chronic pain more susceptible to negative emotions and less responsive to pain relief interventions. Understanding the psychological dimensions of pain is crucial for developing comprehensive pain management strategies. Addressing the emotional distress associated with pain is as important as treating the underlying physical cause. Psychological therapies such as cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, and mindfulness-based stress reduction, MBSR, have proven effective in helping individuals cope with chronic pain, reducing pain perception, and improving overall quality of life. These therapies work by teaching individuals to identify and modify negative thought patterns, develop coping mechanisms for stress and anxiety, and improve their emotional regulation skills. Understanding the psychological dimensions of pain is crucial for developing comprehensive pain management strategies. Addressing the emotional distress associated with pain is as important as treating the underlying physical cause. Psychological therapies such as cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, and mindfulness-based stress reduction, MBSR, have proven effective in helping individuals cope with chronic pain, reducing pain perception, and improving overall quality of life. Psychological therapies such as cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, and mindfulness-based stress reduction, MBSR, have proven effective in helping individuals cope with chronic pain, reducing pain perception, and improving overall quality of life. These therapies work by teaching individuals to identify and modify negative thought patterns, develop coping mechanisms for stress and anxiety, and improve their emotional regulation skills.